My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware, which is called D0n. D0n is the ransomware that belongs to the D0n ransomware family. Of course, my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. All that can be opened easily without any complications. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular D0n ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this D0n extension to the file names. It is not possible to open the files anymore. Indeed, the files are damaged and encrypted. The ransomware drops this ransom note on the computer screen, mentioning that all the files have been encrypted. In brief, this ransomware note mentions that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money for nothing, so do not ever pay that ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. We suggest that you do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You will need to use Internet Explorer browser to download it, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could be also modified by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is provided with the excellent anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add certain folders that would always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. Based on the summary of threats, some infections can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.